Summer is a cheerful holiday season, but no one likes the harsh sun. Exposure to sun not only tans the skin but also causes skin problems like dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Harmful UV rays makes the skin appear dark and dull. Hi guys, welcome to Glowpink. My name is Garima and in today's video I will show you a very effective DIY soap to remove suntan from your body. Before moving ahead, if you are new to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe to Glowpink channel for more such videos. And don't forget to click that little notification bell so that you never miss an update from us. To make this soap, you will need 50 grams of clear soap base, 2 teaspoons of Multani Mitti, which is also known as Fuller's Earth, 1 teaspoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon orange peel powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon licorice powder, and 1 teaspoon sandalwood powder. In a clean and dry bowl, take everything and mix all the ingredients well. Now keep it aside. Meanwhile, we will make the base for this soap. You can make this soap from pure soap as well, or any bar of soap that you have around the house. Using a double boiler, melt the soap base. In case of oranges, just the peel has more vitamin C than the orange itself. Vitamin C is known for its capacity for brightening the skin and removing any tan from the face and body. The best way to use oranges for their skin lightening benefits is to use skin of the orange, the peel, which can help nourish and lighten the skin. They can help lighten suntan and can help ensure a beautiful glow on the skin by helping and getting rid of the dead skin cells on the skin. Once soap base is completely melted, add the Uktan powder and mix really well. The natural oils present in sandalwood help to get rid of suntan. It also helps in soothing the sunburn and has a cooling effect, reducing the redness caused due to a sunburn. Pour this mix into a mold. I am using a cute little bowl to set this. Grease your mold with some oil and pour the mixture into this. Leave it in room temperature and it will set automatically. Now if you want, you can keep this in a refrigerator also to set. This is how your soap will look once completely set. As we all know, Multani Mitti is best known for traditional and natural component used for healing acne or blemishes. Multani Mitti, which is also known as Fuller's Earth, cools and soothes sunburns. It also removes tan and makes your skin radiant. Turmeric is one of the most powerful ingredients in your spice cabinet. It is an antiseptic and an anti-inflammatory. Its beneficial qualities have been credited to the presence of an active ingredient called curcumin. Licorice powder or muleti powder helps in reducing the overproduction of melanin by our skin. It also protects our skin from harmful UV rays and also helps in fading away acne scars and suntan. It makes our skin even toned. So that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to Glowpink for more such videos. Till then, I'm Garima signing off today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Skin whitening formula that really works. Use Glowpink Skin Whitening and Brightening Gel, which has advanced natural formula to lighten skin complexion. It reduces pigmentation and brighten your skin tone. It boosts collagen, balances natural skin oils and restores skin glow and luster. It also helps in reducing acne, breakouts and repair the sun damage. A perfect blend of natural skin lightening ingredients like aloe vera, papaya extract and saffron oil. Suitable for all skin type and brings out the best version of you. Glowping Skin Whitening Cream is now available on glowping.com and Amazon. Check out now.